Automatic loading, and then into the 3 dust removal. Sisal brushes remove large particles on both sides. 3 belts with double-sided, horizontal sweeping, electrostatic dust removal. Powerful double air blowers blowing dust. After dusting, it enters the oven to preheat. Sticky dust roller, to remove floating dust. Into the gluing machine. Into the laminating machine. Automatically trimming the long side of the film. Manual quality control and board separation. Automatically laying pro cotton after automatic unloading.